Hello. Today we're going to do a project with our oil pastels, and these I believe are the same oil pastels that you have. If not, any oil pastels will work. Oil pastels are really nice because you can actually smear them. And today we're only using 3 oil pastels. We're going to use red, yellow, and blue. These are the 3 colors. And those are the only 3 things we're going to use. So get out these 3 colors. And we're going to do a project in color theory and primary colors and secondary colors. And we are going to create colors using red, yellow, and blue and our fingers. And we're going to get a little bit messy with our fingers. So the first thing you're going to do is pick any color and draw a circle. You don't want it too big because we're going to fill it all in. And then make the circle in 3 parts into the center, just like make a pie. You can make a Y actually, and it doesn't have to be exactly even. Okay, so in one part we're going to put yellow, in one part we're going to put red, and in one part we're going to put blue. And then we're going to mix them and we're going to see what happens. So you can just go ahead and start coloring in this. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be, you know, just lines. It can be, you can make anything, squigglies or lines or whatever you want. If you press harder, you'll notice it's darker. And if you press lighter, then you have less of the oil pastel is going onto the paper. So I'm done with my blue. It doesn't have to be completely filled in. You could always take your finger and fill it in a little bit like that. Now I'm going to take my red. You can see the blue on my finger. Now I'm going to take my red and fill it in. This one, you can see if I cover some red and blue, it's already starting to make a new color. What color could that be? A good question. Do you know what color you get when you mix red and blue? I can even go over a little bit and we'll see what happens. So I did my blue, I did my red, and now, see what's on my fingers, we can do the yellow. Oh, and look at, you see that? What color is it going there where the yellow overlaps with the blue and the yellow overlaps with the red? Let's bring in some of that in here. It's supposed to be a surprise. Maybe we should have started with the lightest color. But we'll do this. Oh, you can even see, holy cow, already this. Do you see how when I go over the blue circle, what color is it making there? Right here, I'm going to actually blend these together. That yellow going over the blue, it's making green. And if you take the yellow into the blue just a little bit and then blend it, you can see that it's making green. And we'll take the red over a little bit. And what color is this going to make? I'm going to use my other hand so I don't have the blue on it. I actually should have used yellow to make this line, but you can see, I'm actually going to go over here. Yellow and red, need a whole new, it's making orange. Add a little bit more red. And then over here, the red mixed with the blue makes purple. We'll pull some out this way and pull it out this way, and you can blend it and see the purple. And these are what you call, the red, yellow, and blue are called primary colors, and the purple, green, and orange are called secondary colors. And when you make a color wheel, let's go like this, and let's see if we can make a purple fan. kind of like we did with the green van. Yeah, this is a good way. So doing this with color crayons doesn't work as well because the color crayons don't actually blend the way oil pastels do. But with oil pastels, you can actually blend them really in a lovely way. So green and that red here. So on a color wheel, you'll always have red, yellow, and blue. And between the red and yellow, you'll have orange. Between the blue and yellow, you'll have green. And between the blue and the red, you'll have purple. And so these are the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. And these are the secondary colors, orange, green, and purple. Because in order to get orange, green, and purple, you actually have to mix red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, and blue can't be created from any other colors. You have to actually dig them out of the earth or use dye or something to get these colors from the earth. Oh, look at this. Look at how fun this is. If I take this and I can make some fingerprints with mine. I had some red on there and made the orange. And then if you want, if let's say you have something that's red, but you want it to be more orange, and you could do this with color crayons, just add some on top. And you can blend these colors to get the color you want. Of course, if you have dirty fingers, then you're going to be blending in other colors. So that is our project in oil pastels and colors. Have fun drawing!